So a screencast is simply a digital video recording that captures actions taking place on a computer desktop. One of the more useful ways to apply this to a classroom setting is to have students or yourself add voice to a PowerPoint presentation, as I am doing now. I am not in presentation mode at this point, but I could simply flip into that mode, and then I could begin speaking and adding details to whatever is on the screen at that point in time. It is very convenient for those students who maybe have some anxiety presenting to a large group. You can also escape from this, and some other applications might be to move to a website, and I'm going to go ahead and go into Google here and go to the Marshall Public Schools website that I brought up. And one of the ways I used it was to teach children how to access the Marshall Public Schools Media Center sites. So I wanted to show them how to use Follett at the middle school. So I kind of gave them a step-by-step way to get into the website, and then explain to them how they would go about searching for a book within the catalog. So for instance, Judy Moody is what I had used here, and I used her as a title, and it came up with a page, and then I talked about call numbers and other things. But it was a way for me to teach to individuals, and something that the students can go back to and look at with having one-to-one devices. Once you have a recording done, students can access it at any time, place, from home, depending on where you post that video or the screencast itself. And then again, they can use that as a tool to get back to something that you want to explain. Another application might be to go ahead and use it, to explain how to solve a math problem, for instance, or maybe you're trying to teach students how to write the first paragraph in an essay. So you could bring them out to a Word document, or maybe how to add references to the page, and ways to add those kinds of things into a document. So you can see that there are a lot of different uses for screencasts, and if you have other questions, you can simply let me know. Thank you.